Welcome to our channel, Imran.Family Kitchen. So today we have cooked something really special, something that is made quite frequently within our household and something I've enjoyed ever since childhood. And that dish is known by the name of Turkish spiced roast chicken. You're in for an absolute treat today, and I'm really excited for you guys to watch this one because it's something so super delicious when you get it correct. The chicken is so tender, the chicken is so moist, and it's nothing below the word delicious. Let's move on to the recipe now. Alright guys, so you saw how to make this wonderful Turkish spiced chicken, and it was super delicious as you saw in the beginning of this video, and we served it with our Turkish bulgur pilav. It's one of the most popular dishes on this channel. It's got over 100,000 views, so do go and check that out. You'll be able to see that on the screen cards above. And with that, do like this video, and also just comment below what you'd like to see in the future for us to make for you guys. And with that said, catch you in the next one.